there, I'm Alex from WTI. I've felt a lot of soft blankets in my life, and I have to tell you, this one here from St. Yeah is definitely in the top of my top favorites. I can honestly say it feels like real cashmere, even though it's faux cashmere. We like to use this blanket in my dad's vintage car. I love how the black and white complement each other. And because it's so soft, I know it's not going to damage any part of the car. My dad gives it a thumbs up, so that's gotta count for something. Because of its neutral pattern, it also looks great with bright colors. I really like how it looks with these mustard yellow throw pillows. But it would also look great in many other decor settings, like on this off-white leather couch. I can't say enough about how soft and cozy this blanket is. It's a great size, especially for snuggling up on the couch. This blanket from St. Yeah is an overall, generally top-notch blanket. I highly recommend it. It's one of my new favorites, and that's my point of view.